Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am here taking a quick break at work. But during the premieres this past Christmas, I noticed that the likes, people were struggling with them. And so I wanted to give you a heads up on what you can do when you are on your mobile device, how to give a thumbs up to somebody. When you're in chat and you see a thumbs up, what do you do? I also wanted to let you know how to get off a top chat and onto all chat so you can see what all your friends are saying. So first, I brought up a live. It is a music live. Let me just I had the right angle here before I started. Let's see. Whee! Come on. All right. So there you go. You got your live chat. Not a lot of people talking right now because this is just some nice music. All right. What is going on here? Okay. There we go. So what you see right here are the three lines. You're going to click on the three lines. Whoop, let's click on them. Come on. Come on, baby. And it says top chat or live chat. So you're going to click on live chat, and that is going to let you know that you are seeing all of your friends and their chat. Now, let's say somebody goes, let's give our host a thumbs up. What you're going to do is you're going to close out a chat. Don't worry, you'll come back. You're going to close out a chat with an X. Oops. Come on, baby. There we go. You're going to like or dislike. I'm not judging. You're going to get the thumbs up, and then you're going to hit live chat in the middle again. And that is going to take you back to your live chat. You can look across the top. It's live chat versus top chat. And that way you can give your favorite hostess with the mostest a thumbs up to show them how much you love them. This will work on mobile devices, iPads, your iPhones, your Androids, anything that you have that's mobile. So please use it. Help give us a thumbs up if you like our lives or our premieres. So I hope this helped you get a little bit more techie as you enjoy the crafting YouTube world. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.